Hey guys, welcome back to my HR learning series. So today's topic is hiring process, which we will going to understand through some assignment process. So whether you are an student preparing for the assignment submission, or are you planning to give an interview for any organization, or currently you are working within an organization. So this assignment will be helpful for you. So let's just understand this with some example assignment. Okay. So let's just start the recruitment process, which we have to do through rural and urban areas. So the scenario is the company needs to hire 200 employees within the next 4 months due to organization expansion. And the process operations are largely based out of rural areas, mostly like 80%. So you will be faced some challenges like finding the qualified candidates. So as an HR, how would you plan and execute this recruitment process and adapt your recruitment strategies to attract the talent in rural and urban areas within these 4 months deadlines? I will also highlight what kind of a challenges you will face during this recruitment process. So suppose you are facing a high volume of applications, but many of the candidates don't meet the basic qualifications. So as an HR, how would you streamline the screening process to ensure only eligible candidates move forward? The next, you will notice a difference in employee expectations and needs between rural and urban employees. So, how would you tailor your HR policies and programs to meet these diverse needs? So, shall we start now? So, here we get the assignment of recruitment. So, our scenario is hiring 200 employees in 4 months with 80% rural operations. Rural operations mainly based out of blue collar employees. So, as an HR, how would I plan and execute this process? So, as an HR in my planning, the first process will do manpower planning. Here, HR need to collaborate with the department heads to identify the specific roles, skills, and regional requirements. Need to understand the job requirements. Need to clearly define the roles, responsibilities, and qualifications criteria for the 200 positions. Now, the second will come in my planning as an HR, that will be targeted recruitment channels. It will be for rural and urban areas. So for rural areas, here HR need to partner with the local institutions, college, NGOs, community leaders, or rural employment centers to tap into the talent pools. Now in urban areas, what HR need to do that? HR need to use the digital social media platforms like LinkedIn, job boards, company platforms, to attract the candidates and also need to introduce the incentives for current employees. Now, the third one will be job fair and walk-in drives. So here HR need to conduct the job fairs in key rural locations and organize the open house events in urban hubs. Now we will come to the challenges. We have set this plan, right, for the hiring process. But during this process, we will face some challenges as well, right? So, how will we sort out these challenges? Suppose our first challenge is screening of high volume of applications. So as an HR, what I will do? I will do the pre-screening questionnaires. So here we'll implement the short online form assessing key, which will be based on qualification and job specific skills. So here I will automate the systems for initial filtering. Like, do you have, for example, do you have at least 3 years of experience in such specific skills like the positions, open positions? So only the candidates who meet these criteria can proceed further. Now, second, we'll do the assessment test. So here we'll introduce the cognitive and behavioral assessments for early stage filtering. Now, next, we'll conduct basic online skill test that will be related to the job roles. So here we can use the applicant tracking system as well, which will make HR work more easier. Now, third, we'll do the video interviews. So through these video interviews, we evaluate the communication skills and we'll check the cultural fit early in the process. Now, this will save our time and resources by using the virtual interviews for shortlisting the candidates. Now, fourth, we'll do the outsource and initial screening. So, if we receive the high volume of applications that is overwhelming, so we'll reach out to the outsourcing for the first level of screening to the recruitment agencies or specialized screening firms. Now, the second challenge, the diverse employee expectations. So, here we'll do the tailoring. Okay, so we'll tailor the HR policies for rural and urban employees. For rural employees, HR need to focus on transportation allowance. So, like HR will offer the rural employees the transportation allowance, community support programs, and on-site accommodations. On the other side, for urban employees, HR need to emphasize on the career development plans, competitive salary, and offer the work-life balance initiatives. Now, in this second challenge, we'll do the second thing, that is customized training and development. So, HR need to offer the region-specific programs and addressing the unique needs of rural and urban staff. Now, the third and the last, employee engagement. So here HR need to do the regular survey employees to adapt the policies in real time. So guys, that's it for the assignment for the hiring process. Hope it will be helpful for you.